Executive communication under fire. Writing clear RCA letters. Ever had something fail and your customer asks, "What happened?" That's when you send an RCA letter, a clear, formal explanation after a failure. Its purpose isn't to spin. It's to restore trust, show you're in control, and explain how you'll prevent a repeat. Keep your tone calm, accountable, and non-defensive. Think, here's what occurred, here's how it affected you, here's what we're doing. Own the situation without drama. When readers sense honesty and competence, tension drops and collaboration becomes possible. This video shows you exactly how to write an RCA that reassures, informs, and moves things forward. Use a predictable structure that answers their questions in order. Start with a brief incident summary in plain English. 1 or 2 sentences, no jargon. Next, state the customer impact. Who was affected? What functions broke? And for how long? Then explain the root cause in clear terms. Follow with corrective and preventative actions. 5. What you fix now and what will stop recurrence. Close with a timeline, next steps, and a contact for follow-up. This flow reduces anxiety because the reader can quickly find exactly what matters to them. Clarity beats buzzwords. Use simple verbs and short sentences. We misconfigured the server. Not a misconfiguration event occurred. If a technical term is necessary, define it once and keep using the same term consistently. Replace blame with facts and evidence. The backup job failed at 2:14 due to expired credentials. Avoid passive fog. Say who did what. Our SRE rotated the keys and restarted the job. Clear writing signals clear thinking, and that builds credibility fast. Lead with the primary cause, then list contributing factors. Show the cause and effect chain step by step. Expired credentials blocked backups, which filled the queue, which slowed API responses. Include how you verified the cause, reference data, logs, tests, or reproductions. If the cause is still unknown, say so plainly and provide an investigation plan with owners and checkpoints. Teaching the reader how you reached your conclusion makes the explanation believable and the remediation plan meaningful. Start with empathy. Acknowledge inconvenience and risk directly. Quantify the scope, number of users, regions, and the precise time window. Separate immediate fixes, already done, from long-term prevention in progress. Be specific. Rate limit increased at 10:32 versus we made adjustments. Name owners and deadlines for each action so accountability is visible. Database index redesign. Owner, Priya S. ETA, October 14th. Precision here shows you understand consequences and are managing recovery deliberately. Executives and customers skim under stress, so front-load key facts in the first 3 sentences. Incident, impact, current status. Use bullets, headings, and a simple timeline to make scanning effortless. Add a 1-sentence plain language summary like, a failed deploy caused checkout errors for 42 minutes. We rolled back and added guardrails. Keep the core letter to 1 page so it's digestible. If you have detailed logs or graphs, reference an appendix. Don't bury your main message in noise. Choose words that show ownership. Use accountable phrases. We did X. We found Y. We will do Z. Avoid hedging. Be precise with dates and times rather than saying around or soon. Offer verification. Outline monitoring, audits, and metrics that will prove the fix works, such as error rates or uptime targets. Finally, invite dialogue. Provide a clear contact, response time, and office hours. Trust grows when readers see action, evidence, and open lines of communication. Subject: RCA for Incident ID on. Date: Opening: 2 to 3 sentences summarizing what happened and the customer impact. Root cause: state the primary cause, contributing factors, and evidence, data, tests, logs, with a concise timeline. Actions: list actions taken, preventative measures, the owner for each, and ETA. Close with current status, next steps, and a contact for questions. Keep it clear, specific, and human. This template helps you respond fast without sacrificing transparency or professionalism.